Alright, this is Henry Weederman. I'm working on a Stihl 034 and I'm doing a leak test and pressure test. So I did a vacuum test and I do have a small leak. I've done a pressure test and I have a leak. So now I do what's called my dip tank test, where I'll pressurize it up and stick it in a dip tank. I got my bucket ready. That's my tank, or my medium. I'll start bringing it up pressure. You'll see it will drop slow. So now the question is, where's it at? Is it on the muffler? Is it on my Welch plug? Is it on my decompression plug? Is it on my spark plug? Is it on my intake boot? Is it on the seal around the cylinder base? Is it on the split case? Hopefully it's not. So let's see. Be simple. Right now it's the decompression plug, so we want to keep pressure on it so I don't get water in the engine and it's not leaking nowhere else. So that's a good sign. Well, on my intake boot I got a small leak too. Sorry. So I'll pull this back out. Make sure all the water's drained on it, and I'll tighten up my plug. So it's right there is one big one, and I'll tighten up my intake boot. My homemade clamp I made right here. I made that myself on the back piece. I'll tighten that up a little bit more. Alright, I'll let this sit out a little bit and drain, and then I'll go ahead and do the repair. No leak on that seal, and no leak on that seal. That's a good thing. And no leak on the split case, which is good, and no leak on the muffler. And no leak on the base gasket. Alright? Okay, so I'll go ahead and fix that one major leak, and then we'll do another dip test. Alright? Henry the Weenie Man are out.